session state is something that we can use to store values within the same user session. So anytime I refresh the web browser by physically pressing the refresh button, the session is going to change, or it's going to be reset. So what we're able to do is access this st.sessionState. So this is what we can use rather than, say, a standard Python variable, which is going to get reset every single time we kind of see that variable definition line. So what I'm doing at the top of my program is I'm checking if this counter key is in the session.state. Now, if it's not inside of here, I'm going to say st.sessionState.counter is equal to 0. Then I have my button for incrementing the counter. If this button is pressed, what's going to happen is we're going to add 1 to the session state counter, and then we're going to write the updated value of that counter. Then we have a reset button. At the bottom of our program, we're going to write the counter value. So if I refresh this here, we see the counter value is equal to 0. And when I increment the counter, it says counter incremented to 1, and now the counter value gets set to 1, and this works.